The work done by a man, a woman, and a child is in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. There are 20 men, 30 women, and 36 children in a factory. Their weekly wages amount to rupees 780, which is divided in the ratio of work done by the men, women, and children. What will be the wages of 15 men, 21 women, and 30 children for 2 weeks? Now, as per this ratio, we can say that the work done by one man is thrice that of one child. So, when 20 men are working, that means we can say 20 into 3, that is 60 children are working. Now, similarly, 30 women are working. Now, as per this ratio, the work done by women is twice that of children. So, therefore, 30 women is equivalent to 60 children again. Now, apart from this, 36 children are also working. So, that means we can say that a total of 156 children are working in the factory. Their weekly wages amount to rupees 780. So 156 corresponds to 780. Now, the question asked is what will be the wages of 15 men, 21 women, and 30 children for 2 weeks? Now, this 780 is for 1 week. Now, let's first of all find out these men, women, and children are equivalent to how many children. So 15 men, so that is equivalent to 15 threes are 45 children. 21 women, so 21 into 2, that is 42 children. And we have 30 more children. So 45 plus 42 plus 30, that is 117 children. Now they are working for 2 weeks. So that becomes 117 into 2, that is 234. So now we can easily do it. 156 corresponds to 780, 234 corresponds to x. So x will be equal to 234 into 780 divided by 156. So answer comes as 1170. So answer will be option C.